Welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to recover your eBay account. For that, just go and open your app and then tap on my eBay, and you'll need to tap on this sign in button, and then you'll have to choose use email or username, and then simply tap on reset your password and tap on and enter your email address and tap on continue button, and they will send you a reset link or your reset or verification code on your Gmail, and after that you can place that over here. And before that you need to verify that you are human, and then they will send you a security code on your Gmails. Just paste that over here, and they will take you to a website from where, and they will take you to another page from where you can reset your password. Simply enter your new password and re-enter your new password, and after that tap on save button, and your password will be reset and go back to your login page. And from here you can log in back to your eBay and recover, and that is how you can recover your account. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.